In this video, you'll learn how to create a subscription plan using Square's dashboard. First, navigate to the subscription section from the sidebar, then begin creating a new plan by selecting the Create a Plan button. Next, click the name field and enter a clear descriptive title for your new plan that you and your team will easily recognize. Then assign catalog items to the plan by opening the item selector, marking the products you want to include, and confirming your selection. Add a frequency option so customers can choose how often they're billed. Select the intervals that best fit your service, such as monthly or daily, and choose your preferred interval from the list. Now, set the billing date for when you want charges to occur each billing cycle, such as the subscription start date or a specific day of the month, and confirm your choice. Next, configure how long the subscription should run, including the number of billing cycles to include, whether to stop automatically, apply percentage discounts, and decide if customers can pause their subscriptions. Use additional settings to offer customers more flexibility if needed. In the pause settings, define any limits on how long a subscription can remain paused before automatically resuming. Finally, save your new plan to add it to your list of subscriptions. If you want to share your subscription plan, select an item and location for the payment link, then close the dialog when finished or make any necessary edits. Use the Edit option to adjust your payment link settings or preview the link before sharing it with customers. You've now learned how to create and configure a subscription plan in Square.